I didn't take the Betty from you because you didn't know the Betty, what it means. Because I know the Betty, how...
So if like I'm wearing silver earrings, like I know with like it will match with my silver, so it didn't like it look like a rainbow or something.
So, and she's black.
No, and I'm sharp,
Okay.
You have to express yourself. But
Yeah,
you can
like
take-
a big
but it's
like.
fine,
Okay.
it's fine. You can hold it, bitch.
For me, Betty is a persona, Betty is a personality. Betty is something that you present yourself to. If Betty knows she's a 10, she's always going to be a 10. I said that.
You know what is an ex? An ex is someone you sleep with. So why don't you say your past, your status view?
And like you.
Like, I'm going to show you how to pimp a nigga. Like those things, man.